You pick whichever one you want.
Okay, I'm gonna do this one. Okay, guys, can we start?
Everybody, can we have your attention please up here? We're gonna get ready to start our next demo. If you guys want to watch it, come on up.
Lunch is over.
Wow, man. ABS have some nice bags. Wow, man. We wish we had show bags like this.
Okay, now what I'm doing, I'm going to, because she has some product on, just remove it a little bit more.
I got most of it off last night.
Yes. That's good. Okay. Okay, I'm going to push back her cuticle.
Skin there that you're pushing back?
Product.
Yeah, product.
Yep.
Oh, because I applied the gelish polish there.
This is just some
I didn't think the pictures were so loud.
We need music next time.
Say something, they sound so loud.
Say loud, say proud. Huh?
Yeah.
Then I use one side of the 100 side buffer to remove her natural nail shine.
Again, folks, as you can see how he is shaping his shaping technique. You see how gentle it is going around the curve right there? Going around the cuticles. It's not like a straight shot down.
To push back more. Okay. Cleanse. Cleanse her nail with a cleanser.
And folks, when you are wiping, cleaning the nails, what you want to do is you want to give it like a firm shape, like you're removing nail polish, okay? Because it gets in the corners and remove all the dust, okay, folks?
Okay.
So what's the difference between the pad that you used there and your cotton pads?
So,
This one lint free.
You want to, you want to use the lint-free pads because if you use cotton, then you're going to have to take the time and pull out the cotton and stuff, you know.
There's a risk of leaving a residue, or not a residue.
No, it's just a
leaving
pain in the
fibers.
butt to have cotton Sunday and then you try to do with the gel. You ever seen that? Then you have to pull
yeah.
that string off.
Yeah, I've had my hands get in there too.
Pads
Yeah.
that are no residue.
Yeah, okay. There be no lint or no residue.
No, lint.
No lint, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my mistake, I started it.
Okay.
I'm picking up what you're leaving.
For any artificial nail, we need two products. One called pH bond. This one will balance the pH of your natural nail. And primer, but a company called Pro Bond, and this one a non-acid primer. Okay.
Okay, now Kim? So just a note on the pH bond too. The pH bond, basically what it does is you already clean the surface of your nails with the nail surface cleaner. So now what you want to do is you want to dehydrate the nails. You want to pull out all the moistures and all the, all the oil so that when you apply the layer, it's going to be like the best surface. They call it maximum best adhesion.
Right.
Okay? All right.
And now we use non-acid primer.
Now, do you guys, anybody here use the regular primer in your store, in your salon?
Yeah.
You want to consider like picking up in non-acid primer, folks. The technology of the primer is old school. So let's, get some, updated, get some acid-free. Well, think about it. You a customer, you want some acid on your finger or you want non-acid? There you go.
Not spill the acid on.
You get it? I mean, yeah, it's like, we gotta update, or, like the product is changing,
It really dries out your skin.
Now, there are some acrylic system that requires you to use the old smelly primer, then it's different. But let's get updated. The technology with the product is good now, online, we don't need to have a primer. Vincent, you said that just using the acid-free, right, Vincent? It's
Right.
good.
Mhm.
Okay.
Quick question.
Yeah.
So, for oilier clients, if you're doing the dip, can you use your non-acid as a bonus?
For
The dipping
For your
powder.
dip.
for the dip powder,
Can we cross over and use this one?
We can use.
I mean, you
On top of your
can
number
use
one?
it, but you're not required to use
No,
it.
but I'm just saying, if you have a difficult, like if you have a client that comes back and says, okay, I'm still lifting, that might be the next step. Would you
I
say?
can see what you're doing, where you're
Yeah.
going with that, and I think you gotta check it, I think we can check it on that to make sure.
Right.
But my just thinking is this, the chemical aspect of it, of the acid-free, I'm sure it might work, okay? That's a good, actually, good question. Let us get back to
Thank
you on
you.
that. Yeah,
Perfect.
Good question.